In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place an ad on eBay Classifieds. Whether you're looking to sell a vehicle, some real estate, or looking for a job, eBay offers a user-friendly platform to reach potential buyers. Let's dive right into it. First, head over to ebay.com and log into your account. It's crucial to ensure that you're using a secure and familiar network when entering your credentials to avoid any security issues. Once logged in, locate the Sell option at the top of the homepage. Clicking this will redirect you to a new window where you can start creating your listing. Next, you'll want to navigate over to the Listings option. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Hover over this section until you see Create Listing and click on it. This is your gateway to setting up your classified ad. Once you're on the Create Listing page, you'll need to describe the item you wish to advertise. In the search bar, type in the name of the item you plan to sell. It's important to note that eBay offers a specific classified ads format for categories such as real estate, vehicles, and jobs. This means you'll set a price, and potential buyers will contact you directly to finalize the transaction outside of eBay's platform. After typing in your item details, go ahead and click on the Search button. This action helps eBay provide you with the best matching categories for your item. If no exact match surfaces, don't worry. Simply click on Continue Without Match to proceed. At this point, it's time to decide on the condition of the item you're listing. For a new item, select the New option. This is important for setting customer expectations and ensuring transparency, which helps build trust with potential buyers. Next, you'll find the Continue to Listing button. Click on this to move forward in the process. This step takes you to a more detailed listing setup, where you'll have the option to adjust the specifics of your ad. Scroll down to the Pricing section. This is where you should select Classified Ad. This step ensures that your post will be listed correctly under the Classified Ads category. Following this, you'll need to set the duration of your ad. Choose how long you'd like your advertisement to run based on your selling strategy and urgency. Typically, you can select from a few days up to a month. Finally, don't forget to set your advertised price. Consider researching similar items to competitively price your product, attracting potential buyers, while ensuring your pricing strategy meets your selling goals. And there you have it. You've just placed your ad on eBay Classifieds, opening doors to connect with interested buyers. Consistent monitoring of your ad and responding promptly to inquiries will help ensure a successful selling experience.